Hi, third grade. This is Mrs. Udo, and I am coming to just show you guys a couple of things today because I will be supporting you with your math while Miss Hooks is out. And so we will continue to use Google Classroom in order to share resources, but I wanted to make sure that I specifically showed you guys where to find some other resources that you will be using for instruction during your math time. And so right now I am logged into Clever, and we all know how to get to Clever. But what I want to show you guys right now is that every single one of your teachers has a teacher's page. And so if you look across your teachers' pages, you will find now that you have a teacher's page that says Miss Udo's Resources. And I threw a picture of myself up there so that you could know that that is me. If you want, you can put a heart on it and then it'll show it in your favorites so that you can always access it when you need it. But you are going to need Mrs. Udo's Resources every single day. And here is why. When I click on Mrs. Udo's Resources, there are several math resources that are going to pop up, and you are going to use these math resources in instruction. And so the first math resource that I want to talk to you guys about is Extra Math, XTRA Math. You are going to use Extra Math every day. When you log into your class for your lesson, the first thing that Miss Jordan and Miss Bennett are going to tell you to do is log into Extra Math. This is where your daily grade is going to come from. Extra Math is a website to help you with your fluency for your multiplication tables. And so multiplication fluency is a standard required of third grade students, and we are going to do Extra Math every day. So you'll go to Miss Udo's Resources and click on Extra Math. And when you get there, it'll pop up a screen like this. You should see your name in the corner. If you want the guy to talk to you and tell you what to do, you can hit the play button and he'll tell you what to do. And you are going to hit continue. Every day's Extra Math session is about 10 minutes. And after your 10 minutes of Extra Math, you will be ready to go to your lesson for the day. So the first thing that everyone's going to do every day once they log into the Zoom is be directed to Extra Math. I put the link for Nearpod here, except you probably are not going to need it because Miss Jordan and Miss Bennett will post the link for your Nearpod lesson on your Google Classroom. But just in case, the link is here. One of the other links that you are going to use sometime is Edulastic. I know that you're familiar with Edulastic because Miss Jordan uses it. If you click on Edulastic on Thursday of this week, there will be an assignment here. Again, you will have a lesson in Edulastic on Thursday of this week. It will also be posted in the Google Classroom for you to access. Every day, in addition to your live lessons, you are also going to have a 5-question, we'll just say exit ticket. And so I'm going to show you how you're going to get to that. So from Google Classroom, under your classwork tab, and this is supposed to be under math. It's only here just for demonstration purposes. It says do not do. This will actually be a math assignment when you're supposed to do it. But you click on it just like you would anything else, and you're going to see this green icon for a website called Savas Realize. And it is going to take you there. It's going to redirect you automatically, or you can hit the button that says take me there now. The first time you go to Savas Realize, it may ask you to answer some questions. And so it may say that for you to pick an icon and pick a picture and then hit continue at the bottom of the screen. If it asks you to do that, make sure you do that. If it does not ask you to do that, it will take you to your assigned work. There will be work assigned here every day. Just 5 questions, and you will do them after your live lesson. And so in order to access, you will click on the assignment. There is an icon that you can listen to if you need the test read to you, and then you can hit start. Again, you can press the play button in order to have questions read to you. You use the next and back keys at the end in order to answer the questions. You check the boxes. You can review your progress to see which questions you've answered and not answered. It is very, very similar to Pearson. And then when you're finished, you are always going to submit. It says submit test. This is not a test, guys. And so these are not tests, but the website itself calls them tests. So do not be deterred by that. But also always make sure that you submit each and every day. And so there will be an assignment, and after your live lesson every day, you will log in there to complete that lesson. The other thing that I want to bring your attention to, which you should all be very, very familiar with, is Dreambox. After you have completed your lesson in Savas every day, those 5 questions for your exit ticket, you are then going to go to Dreambox for the rest of the class period. And I am going to add Dreambox as an icon under Miss Udo's resources as well, so that everything that you need for the class will be in one place, but you will go to Dreambox every day. So to recap, when you log into your Clever platform, if you go to Miss Udo's resources, the first thing that we're going to do every day is extra math. Every day we will do extra math. After you do extra math, Miss Jordan and Miss Bennett will have you pull up the Nearpod using the link on your Google Classroom. After you finish with the link for Nearpod, there will be a link in your Google Classroom with the lesson for the day. It will be dated, and you will answer your 5 questions through Savas Realize. You can also access that here in Miss Udo's resources as well. After you finish your 5 questions, which is your exit ticket, you then are going to do Dreambox for the rest of the class period. I will periodically do little videos like this if I notice that there's something that we have trouble accessing. And so feel free to send me an email, students and parents, if you have any questions about the resources. Thank you so much.